Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Put down the mist a little guys, too early for this. Come on, some control. It's Monday. Alright, we have a stihl MS201TC. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And then one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, if you follow my story, you know what's up. I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. It's damaged. I sell for parts. You know me guys, I take everything apart like always. I took muffler, blah 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 blah. I have more. I have another one parts. I don't know. And the lot that I got, they came a lot of these new ones. Maybe I'll put later. I think I have like 4 more inside there. I have a few going on. If you're into these machines, I have a lot of these. Okay. The 201. You know, I'm lost words. For me, they all look the same. All right. You got here the flywheel coil. Oh look. I like that yellow. Oh, as a salesman, never trust a salesman, but as a salesman, I like that yellow. All right. I forgot what's. Oh, okay. This one. Oh, to see the muffler, I think I have to make a mess. I'm not those type of guy that like to make a mess. I'm just gonna go inside a little bit. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, look at that. Good suspect. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a damaged equipment. I don't know. When I throw the pictures with the flash, okay, I don't know if that little there is something. Well, the water's a little, no, there's nothing there, I think. I'm gonna throw a good picture there. Let me open this a little. I'm looking through a hole, I'm peeping through this little hole there. Alright. When I throw the flash, maybe work a little. Enough is enough, let's hit it. I'm gonna give it a shot. It came with all these parts. Remember, we throw a good picture, everything that came with it. Okay. I hope that we're good there. We're good. Yeah, we're good. All right. This is the muffler. Remember, I didn't show you. All right, let's hit it. All right, we got it. What I did was screws are right here. That's another question. I found them right here. Guys, I want to say thank you to everybody that come from my store. I see every day more people. That makes me feel that I think I'm doing something good. I'm trying to be as clear as I can with you guys. Trying to be fair like that. When you receive the machine, you're going to be fair with me too. I'm not trying to lie to you and anything. I'm trying to show you the best I can. If it's something that you don't see, you still can send me a message. I don't know, ask me a weird question. I can take it. But so far, I think we're showing everything here. Let's see. All right. Look at that baby wants to go. Easy. Calm down. All right. Spark plug. This is the one that came with it. Remember, guys, you gotta check your equipment. I don't like it that much. Let me get one of mine. Let me see this one. This one looks a little better. I'm gonna use the one from the house. Inside job. Better. Inside job. Yeah, I know the energy is from wherever, but I took from where. Maybe I'm happy because every day I'm running better. I haven't get damaged. I'm not into the 5 miles every day, but I'm doing 2 miles a day. That's not bad. I don't want to get damaged again. That's maybe why I'm so happy. All right, we there, guys. Oh God, gasolina. We didn't check. Come on, guys. Oh. All right, I see something. I see gas. Sorry about that. It's a call. Apologize. I got it already. I see. I don't know if you can appreciate that. I see a little dirty there inside the tank. I don't like it. The gas doesn't smell old, but you can tell it was pure maintenance on this machine. That tells me the carburetor, no, it should be dirty. But we're gonna give it a shot anyway. Okay. Remember, we can still go straight here to the heart. Oh, I almost throw something else. My God. Wait. It looks like I'm throwing, but I'm not. Let me open this. I'm gonna throw a little. All right, we got it. Just a little, guys. You put too much. I see you lately. No bueno. Alright, it's in the middle. We're good. Let's see where we're at. Alright, I noticed also the cable is not that long. It looks like they've been having problems with the cable. You see that? I don't know if it's going to be enough, but we're going to give it a shot accelerating it. Alright. I don't think it's enough. I don't know. Let me do something else. I'm going to take out the spark plug again. Maybe it's this spark plug, no bueno. Let me see. Sorry guys, it's better to make sure this is a good machine. And we need to take some time because a lot of people that want to buy it and they're always going to ask me for more. Let me see where we are. I don't know what to tell you. I don't think it has enough gas there. You know what? We're going to put the same one that was there, and this time we're just gonna go just a little, guys, a little just for the spot. We're gonna go straight to the heart of the problem instead of being playing around. We don't got time for games now. We're just gonna find out now if it is a spark plug. Well, I can find out right now what I'm saying, but I'm a professional and I forgot those things. Professional. I love it. Well, guys, we get position. It's not easy. When you're trying to get position. I'm doing old school here, but I don't have where to grab it. Alright, so far I don't see a splat coming. I don't see a splat. Maybe that's the problem we're having on this baby. It's the spark plug. I didn't see it, guys, but anyways, we're gonna give it a shot again. I don't know because maybe the handle, you know, when you pull a record, it's not that long. Remember, I'm in Harley, I call it handle. And maybe, by my opinion, maybe it's a coil because it looks, it looks okay. All right, let's hit it again. See where we're at. Forget about it, I don't want to keep wasting my time. Or this is not long enough, or the coil is not good, no bueno. No bueno. But guys, for parts, you got something going on here. Okay? Sorry I cannot say how the recorder works, my bad. But at least out of that, for parts, you got something going on here. I'm going to throw you good pictures of the piston and everything. You know, I'm going to do my best. And remember, I'm going to put more parts that I've been finding. I have a lot of them. I already put one already, so if you've seen this one, means I already have another one. Thank you guys, have a beautiful day. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Un saludo ahí para mi boricua metiendo el redón. Pues, se ponen brutal mi gente de Puerto Rico con el perreo. Bueno, ya saben, un saludo a todos mi gente latina, mi gente de Texas, mi gente de California, alta, baja, Phoenix, New York, que quiere, ya ustedes saben, donde están todos los latinos que me compran, que ustedes son el fuerte mío. Yo sé que me piden que empiecen en español el video, discúlpenme, acuérdense que también tengo una clientela grande y siempre uno trata de respetar, pero en español cada día estoy haciendo más largo el video y aquí estoy. Díganme si quieren más y aquí estamos. Ya vieron que no les pude hablar, no sé si es que el cable está muy corto, la ladera, o es que la bobina no está funcionando. Para mí es la bobina. Porque yo creo que con lo poquito de eso pudo haber cogido algo, pero bueno, el cablecito nada más hasta aquí parece que tuvieron problemas con... Ustedes saben que yo siempre zafo todo, ¿me entienden? Y les trato de enseñar lo más que pueda todo de los equipos. Nada, no pude prenderla, que quiere que les dije, vi que eso sí me di cuenta, vi que estaba bien sucio el tanque de gasolina, le vi unas cuantas basuras, no me gustó eso, es que no estaban cuidando la máquina y ya por ahí ya me da a entender que el carburador no debe estar muy limpio. Y ustedes saben que voy a tirar buenas fotos adentro del pistón a través de aquí porque no tengo tiempo para estar desarmando y formando esos líos porque tengo muchas máquinas. Bueno mi gente, que viva la raza y que se una la raza.